Okay, so this is Matthew with Madcapper Marketing, and today on our YouTube channel, it's gonna be a little bit different style of a video because I got a new Bluetooth microphone, as you can see right here. Sabinetek. I saw a Facebook ad for this thing and I purchased it. So a Bluetooth microphone. What I've been using for myself and my clients up until this point has been a wired lavalier microphone that plugs into the iPhone. Okay, I'm back. So this is and I've actually made videos about these. These are the two tools, if you have an iPhone, that I've always said that I've been using up to this point for myself and for my clients. This is a $11 lavalier. It plugs right into your smartphone. If you have an iPhone, you're gonna need the lightning adapter jack, right? So you can watch that other video to learn more about my favorite tools. I'm gonna put that right here. Thanks a lot, Carlos.
You're welcome.
But today, we're going to be testing this sucker out right here. I'm really excited about, because there is one thing about this guy. It does get in your way sometimes, the wire. And the wire is very long. So you can stand 6 feet away from your phone when you're making videos, which I always do. But I'm gonna try this out on my next few videos, because now there's no wire, it's all Bluetooth. So the quality of the audio will probably go down a little bit, but the simplicity and the ease of setting up, I'm hoping will go up. Now I've got the box in my hand and I'm ready to open it up, and then we're gonna jump into a quick test on this thing, because I'm really excited to see what it does. Look how nice it is. They do a really good job with the packing. So the little wind shield, that's pretty cool. Earbud, the charger, wind filter as well. Wow, this is really small. I really like it. Look, compared to my thumb, it looks like there's a little microphone right there. Now, something to keep in mind, I'm gonna flip my camera around. You know what I just realized in this video? I'm looking down at my camera, and I know I made a video about how you should have the correct camera angle and having the camera below your face. My wife is laughing at me. So one thing I wanted to say about this microphone compared to this one, from what I'm looking at right now, is this little guy is gonna be clipping onto my shirt, right? Right there. So it's definitely gonna be noticeable. So that is a thing. Whereas this guy, when I do clip it onto my shirt, it's lighter, it's smaller, and then it runs down the front of the shirt. So it's a little less obvious that I'm wearing it. Carlos, maybe you can show a picture over my head of what that looks like. So let's do that now.
We want to make video content. We want to push that content online, but what tools do we actually need to do this fast, cheap, and effectively?
I'm going to now test the audio of this thing. We're just testing the audio, and so how does it sound? I think it sounds pretty good. This Bluetooth is what this video is all about, is under $100 as well. I think it was like $80. So if you like this video and you found value from it, I know it's a little bit different than our normal videos, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.